Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Midaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve Microsoft PhoneLinkUp error code 256 that you're experiencing on your Windows 11 computer with the error message, "We're having trouble connecting your devices. Something's not quite right. Wait a few moments, then try again," with the error code 256. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and then dito sa search for apps ay kailangan mo lang i-type yung settings, and then click mo lang dito yung open. And then dito sa settings, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung app, so click mo lang yan. And then dito sa apps, yung pinakauna lang, ito yung install apps, so kailangan mo lang yan i-click. And then dito sa installed apps at dito lang sa search app ay kailangan mo lang i-type yung Phonely. Ayan. So mag-a-appear ka agad dito na Microsoft Corporations. And then next step, dito lang sa right side ay kailangan mo lang i-click tong tatlong dots. So click mo lang yan. And then next ay kailangan mo lang i-click tong Advanced Options. And then dito sa Advanced Options, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang mag-scroll down. And then dito sa Reset, so if this app isn't working right, so we can try to repair it. So since nakikita nyo na may error talaga, so kailangan natin itong i-repair. So kailangan mo lang i-click tong repair and then wait natin na ma-complete yung repair process. Okay, so makikita nyo dito na complete yung repair, and then next step, if this app still isn't working right, reset it. So kailangan natin itong i-reset, so click mo lang itong reset and then pop up itong message na this will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. So kailangan mo lang i-click itong reset and wait natin na ma-complete yung reset process. And then makikita nyo na dito na complete na yung repair and reset process. So ang next step, so close lang natin itong settings. And then dito lang si start menu, so right click ka lang. And then select mo lang dito yung device manager. So dito sa device manager, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung other devices. Okay, ito siya. So kailangan mo lang i-click tong arrow na yan para mag-expand. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung Android Auto Wireless. Okay, so i-select mo lang ganyan and then right click ka lang. And then select mo lang dito yung properties. So dito sa properties, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung driver. And then next ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung update driver. So click mo lang yan. And then pop up tong dalawang options na search automatically for drivers or browse my computer. So select ka lang dito sa dalawa. And then tap mo lang tong search automatically. So click mo lang yan. And then makikita mo kaagad dito mga kaibigan. Alright? So ang next step, so close lang natin itong device manager. And then ang next step, dito lang ulit sa search menus, click mo lang yan. And then dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung CMD. Or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. So kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And then select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click mo lang dito yung yes. And then dito sa administrator command prompt, ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na SFC space /scan now, and small letter lahat, and then yung /scan now ay one word po yan, and then press mo lang yung enter. And then makikita mo na dito na beginning system scan. This process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan. So dito ay kailangan lang natin hintayin na makomplete ang verifications into 100%. And finally, mga kaibigan, makikita mo na dito na verifications 100% complete. And then next step, so close lang natin tong CMD. And then dito lang si start menu at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, so click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix PhoneLinkUp error code 256. We're having trouble connecting your devices in Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.